You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. The world's largest gold miner, Newmont, is rolling out steep cost cuts that could wipe out thousands of jobs. The company is chasing up to $300 an ounce in savings, about 20% of its all-in sustaining costs to match lower cost peers. Now, expenses have surged more than 50% in 5 years, worsened by its $15 billion Newcrest takeover in 2023. And problems at mines in Papua New Guinea and Australia. Executives have begun notifying staff of redundancies, while scaling back incentives is also being considered. The cuts come despite record bullion prices, with gold trading above $3,300 and Newmont shares nearly doubling this year. Rio Tinto's new CEO, Simon Trott, has unveiled a sweeping restructure, consolidating operations into 3 divisions: iron ore, copper, and aluminum lithium. The company's iron ore business will now include operations in Western Australia, Canada's iron ore company, and the Simandu project in Guinea. Assets under review include Richards Bay Minerals in South Africa, Canadian iron and titanium, and US borates, which may be sold after a strategic assessment. Rio's lithium business has been merged with the aluminium, led by Jerome Precassa in Montreal. Vietnam has ended its 13-year state monopoly on gold trading, sparking a price surge and confusion in local markets. Bars from state-owned Saigon Jewelry Company jumped to about $4,096 per ounce, while buyers paid close to $4,162, reflecting short-term volatility. The reform allows banks and private firms to trade gold, aiming to curb smuggling, rein in black market dealing, and narrow steep local premiums. Analysts say the move will align Vietnam with global markets and boost transparency, with large trades now required through bank accounts. The world's largest rare earth producer outside China, Lynas, says the future of its Texas processing plant is uncertain. Talks with the U.S. Defense Department continue, but Lynas insists any offtake deal must be commercially viable. The project was set to launch in 2026, but construction may not go ahead. CEO Amanda Lucchese says Lynas remains the backbone of supply outside China and urged policies to protect its role. A warning comes after the U.S. poured funding into rival MP Materials. Lynas also reported weaker profits and is pursuing magnet ventures in the U.S., Korea, and Malaysia. Hudbay Minerals has restarted its Snow Lake mine in Manitoba, Canada, after authorities lifted wildfire evacuation orders on August the 22nd. Now, the company says surface facilities were undamaged and safety checks on shafts and underground systems are complete. Operations were suspended in early July as wildfires swept through northern Manitoba. Snow Lake is expected to return to full output by early September, keeping Hudbay on track to meet its 2025 forecast.